Inspection, both along and at the end of the line, ensures that all components are correctly installed. When approved, the body is complete, ready to join the rest of the car. The VW engine assembly is completed here with top-quality Australian-made components. An expansion program is underway to enable the entire engine to be manufactured in Australia. The assembled engines are conveyed to the chassis line, where the major mechanical components are fitted to the chassis. The front axle, the gearbox, the unique torsion bar suspension system. Inspectors carefully check that parts are fitted to exact requirements. Spread along the line where the chassis and body will join is a sealing compound, a seal for proofing against water and dust. The bodies descend automatically to join with the chassis, everything in exact position. Guide pegs are removed and 36 bolts are used to lock the two units together. Now VWs are driven off the assembly line to the testing area. The engine and transmission are checked as the car is driven through all gears on rollers connected to a test speedo. Suspension is checked. A system of mirrors allows the driver to check controls and lights. Brakes are tested. Wheel nuts are tested for correct tightness. extremely accurate optical tester is used for wheel alignment. When the VW has passed all 83 mechanical checks, it is then driven to the final line where seats and floor mats are added. Here it receives the most critical visual inspection. Every part is rechecked. For a VW to receive the final OK, over 400 parts have to have been inspected and approved. "120 people are employed solely to inspect the VW throughout its manufacture. The VW's beetle shape has become a familiar sight on Australian roads. So too have the other Volkswagen vehicles, the 1500 sedan and station wagon. And the range of Volkswagen commercials. Over 200,000 VWs have been sold in Australia since local assembly began in 1954. More than 150 VWs are manufactured every day at the Clayton plant of Volkswagen Australasia Limited. Rail and road transport is used to distribute them throughout Australia. As well, VWs are exported to countries in the South Pacific and Southeast Asian area. Volkswagen is a £14 million investment in Australian industry. Its tradition of quality is upheld by 2,500 employees. A £20 million expansion program is already underway. This will double the number of employees and bring the Australian content of the VW to as high as 95%. The VW will look the same then as it does now, because the shape is not a shape of fashion, but the shape of quality.